Hi, this is Stan Dubin, and welcome to the Hiring Tips Podcast. The name of this tip is The Battle for Hourly Workers, and this is part 1. Finding, hiring, and keeping hourly workers can be a challenge. Here's a few facts. Just under 60% of the U.S. workforce are hourly workers. Hourly workers in many areas change jobs frequently. The cost of this frequent job change can be considerable to the employer. More and more companies like Uber and Lyft are coming into the hourly worker market and creating more competition. And at this time, August of 2019, there are more job openings than there are people applying for jobs. This creates even more competition. So what to do? Well, in this tip, part 1, we'll discuss finding hourly workers. You may be doing some or even all of the following, but let's take a fresh look at what you can do to find hourly workers. Get your company out there on the job boards. I'll have a website link for you in the show notes that has a great list of the popular and most used job boards. And you don't have to be on all of them, but if you can keep a steady message going on a few of them, that will help. Ask your current employees to refer people they know. You could even offer an incentive for this. For example, for every referral that we hire that stays for, say, X number of weeks or months, the employee gets a $25, $50 Amazon gift card, or maybe even $100 to spend at a fancy restaurant, which they likely will not forget for some time. An incentive that is affordable and is an actual incentive could work well for you. Of course, place an ad or two or more in local newspapers and magazines. Put up job posters in your neighborhood. A variety of local stores support this kind of thing. Every so often go and visit these store owners and spend a little time each time getting to know them. They will likely keep your job offers up there longer than others. Check in with your local community colleges. Are any of them having job fairs? If so, see what's involved in having your company represented there. Are there career counselors at these community colleges or even local high schools that you could meet? Let them know you have jobs available. Put together a nice job info sheet that you can get printed off and that you could leave for them. If that's too much for them, then leave at least your business card or cards. The basic idea here is to get your company's name and its job needs out there where people may be looking for this. And while you're at it, throw in a little creativeness and promote yourself where people may not be looking for a job offer. The more points of communication that exist in your area promoting your company, the more likely you'll have people reaching back to you, applying for that job you need filled. Thank you for listening. In addition to our podcast, we have a service that will help you hire honest, trustworthy, and dependable staff. Watch our 3-minute video at thetestingservice.com. Once again, that's thetestingservice.com.